Most people think more money will save their life, but the truth is, many people making six figures are still stressed, trapped, exhausted, and one emergency away from panic. Why? Because income without structure becomes silent self-destruction. And after 30, your paycheck should not just pay bills, it should build freedom. It should build peace. It should build options. It should build the life you dream about when nobody is watching. But nobody taught us how to manage money emotionally, mentally, and strategically. Most of us learned how to earn. Very few learned how to keep. Even fewer learned how to grow. So today, I'm going to show you a practical system to manage your paycheck after 30, so your future stops depending on luck. And this is your 360 words for living. Section 1. The biggest money mistake after 30. After 30, your financial habits become your future. At 20, mistakes can be recovered quickly. You have time, you have flexibility, you can afford to experiment, but after 30, life becomes more demanding. Responsibilities increase, families grow, bills multiply, unexpected expenses appear more often, and every bad financial decision begins to compound. The biggest mistake people make is this. They spend first, then hope there is something left to save. That system guarantees stress, because every paycheck becomes survival instead of strategy. Every month becomes a race. Every bill feels like a threat. Every emergency feels like a disaster. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a direction problem. Money flows wherever emotion leads it. Stress creates impulse buying. Comparison creates fake lifestyles. Fear creates bad decisions. And lack of planning creates permanent exhaustion. Think about it. How many purchases have you made because you were bored, lonely, frustrated, trying to impress someone, trying to reward yourself after a difficult week? Money often follows emotions more than logic. That is why increasing income alone rarely fixes financial problems, because the habits remain the same. Your paycheck must become intentional, not emotional, because every dollar should have a purpose before it arrives. Section 2. The Dream Life Formula. Here's the truth most people avoid. Your dream life is probably not created by one massive moment. It's built by thousands of small, repeated financial decisions. The coffee, the subscriptions, the unnecessary debt, the random spending, the lack of investing, the delayed planning, the purchases you forgot about, the habits you never questioned. Small leaks sink big ships, a few dollars here, a few dollars there, month after month, year after year, until you wonder why financial progress feels impossible. So before you ask, how do I become rich? Ask, how do I stop financially bleeding every month? Because wealth is not just about earning, it's about keeping, growing, and directing money wisely. A person earning $60,000 with discipline can build more peace than someone making $150,000 with chaos. Money management is life management. Because every dollar represents time, energy, and sacrifice. Every paycheck represents hours of your life you'll never get back. When you waste money carelessly, you're often wasting the time it took to earn it. That perspective changes everything. Section 3. The 5-account system. Here's a simple, practical system anyone can start using. You don't need to be wealthy. You don't need financial expertise. You just need consistency. Account 1. Survival account. This covers rent or mortgage, food, transportation, utilities, insurance, basic necessities. This is your needs account, not your luxury account, not your entertainment account. Keep this controlled, because lifestyle inflation destroys more dreams than low income. Many people earn more every year, but somehow feel poorer. Why? Because every raise becomes an excuse to spend more. A bigger house, a newer car, more expensive habits, more monthly payments, more pressure, more stress. Instead of buying freedom, they buy obligations. Account 2. Freedom account. This is your investment account. Even if you start with 5%, this money is never touched. Not for vacations, not for gadgets, not for temporary wants. This account buys future freedom, not temporary pleasure. Remember, poor people spend first. Wealthy people invest first. The amount matters less than the habit. A small investment repeated consistently can become life-changing over time. The secret is not perfection. The secret is consistency. Account 3, emergency account. Life will happen, cars break, jobs change, medical bills appear. Unexpected repairs arrive. Adults after 30 must stop living financially unprepared. Build 3 to 6 months of expenses slowly, one step at a time, one deposit at a time. Peace comes from preparation, not prediction. You cannot predict every problem, but you can prepare for many of them. And when emergencies happen, your savings become your shield. Account 4, growth account. Use this for courses, skills, books, business ideas, networking, professional development. Your income grows when you grow. Many people spend thousands entertaining themselves, but almost nothing improving themselves. That is expensive long term. The skills you learn today can increase your earning power for years. Knowledge compounds, skills compound, personal growth compounds. Never stop investing in yourself, because you are your greatest asset. Account 5, enjoy life account. Yes, enjoy your money, travel, celebrate, rest, create memories. Buy things you genuinely value, but do it intentionally, not recklessly. The goal is not to become obsessed with money. The goal is to make money stop controlling your emotions. When enjoyment is planned, it feels better. When enjoyment is earned, it creates gratitude. When enjoyment is balanced, it doesn't create regret. Section 4, the mindset shift that changes everything. Here's the mindset that changes financial life after 30. Stop trying to look rich. Start trying to become free. Many people are financing appearances they cannot sustain. Luxury without stability becomes pressure, and pressure steals peace. Social media has convinced many people that success must be visible. The expensive watch, the luxury car, the designer clothes, the perfect vacation photos. But real wealth often looks boring. Real wealth is sleeping peacefully, having options, saying no to toxic environments, not panicking every month, having savings, having investments, buying time back for your life. That is the real dream, not impressing strangers online. Most people buy things to escape emotions, but healing your financial life also requires healing your mindset. Discipline is self-respect in action. Every controlled financial decision tells your future. I care about you. Every unnecessary debt avoided says, I respect my future. Every investment made says, I believe in tomorrow. Every dollar saved says, I choose security over chaos. Section 5, the power of consistency. One of the biggest lies people believe is that success happens overnight. It doesn't. Financial transformation is usually invisible at first, just like planting a tree. For months it appears nothing is happening, but beneath the surface, roots are growing, strength is developing, foundations are forming, then one day, growth becomes visible. The same thing happens financially. The first month feels small. The first investment feels insignificant. The first savings goal feels slow. But years later, those small actions become extraordinary results. Consistency creates transformation, not motivation. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Systems stay. Habits stay. And habits eventually become destiny. Section 6, 360 words for living message. Listen carefully. Your paycheck is not small because your dreams are impossible. Sometimes your paycheck feels small because your vision has no system. A seed looks small too, until time proves its power. Never underestimate what small, consistent actions can create. $1 invested consistently. One skill learned consistently. One habit improved consistently. One decision repeated consistently. Those are the building blocks of extraordinary lives. The life you dream about may not require millions first. It may require clarity, discipline, patience, intentional living. Stop measuring success by appearances. Measure it by peace. Measure it by freedom. Measure it by options. Measure it by how much control you have over your future. If your habits improve, your life improves. If your decisions improve, your future improves. And if your mindset improves, everything changes. Because financial freedom is not really about money. It's about control. Control over your choices, control over your time, control over your future. And when you gain control, you gain peace. That is your 360 words for living. If this message spoke to you, subscribe for more powerful, life-changing conversations. Comment below. What financial habit changed your life the most? And remember, the goal is not just making money. The goal is building a life you no longer want to escape from.